Can we specify the symptoms and be more specific to these people?
So the most common symptoms of postpartum depression is postpartum rage, irritability, loss of appetite, being unable to bond with your child, thinking that you're not meant for this and this life doesn't belong to you and others will be better off without you, feeling suicidal, anxiety, feeling like your heart's always racing, overthinking, having scary thoughts. What if my baby falls down and dies? Is he breathing well enough? Constantly checking, being extremely paranoid. These are all symptoms of postpartum depression. And if it's lasting for over 2 weeks, you should get yourself screened. Another thing that I would want to mention here is, since we were talking about how education or just being informed can make a difference, there is this scale called EPDS scale, which is called the Edinburgh Postnatal Scale Depression. That is basically a screening test for you to understand if you are at risk for PPD. So when I received my training, this is what we were taught, that moms up to 2 weeks must be assessed and you get a score. You mark that score and 2 weeks later, you again take that score. If there is no change and if they are falling under that bracket, they need to be screened better. So this should be mandatory in India.
Absolutely.
It should be mandatory.
And it should be mandatory at the gynecological.
Yeah, that's where they do it. That's where they're supposed to do it in the first checkup. That it should happen, because this is going to be a game changer.
For
we're talking about mental health. You're screening them. People who don't believe in it also get to know. And someone who's not aware also then is informed that, okay, this might happen. And if it does, this is how I get to know. But that is also something that has to come from a doctor.
Yeah. But then, this awareness is sometimes what happens. It's the other way around. The movement starts, right? Yeah. If more and more people are aware of it, they will demand it. And probably what is demand is supply.
Yeah.
Right? Let's put it like that. So can we just specify once again, what is the scale called?
It's called EPDS. It is called Edinburgh Postnatal Scale Depression.
Okay.
It's a scale that is accepted by psychiatrists and psychologists everywhere.
We shall all pray and make an effort that this happens.
Maternal mental health screening should become mandatory.
Absolutely. And I'm sure I will, every time we have a gynecologist on podcast now, I am going to make this point and request them that please start this. At least let's make the beginning on, because this is go a long way, like you said.
Yeah, this will be a game changer in India. If this becomes mandatory, which is what I'm really fighting towards, that just this much, and there'll be a movement nationally.
And it's not so difficult.
It's just a paper. You just have to find questions.
Absolutely.
That's all.
Wow. Amazing knowledge. This is amazing. And